How are you today? Are you happy to be with your family? Or are you sad because you should stay inside for a few days? I'm so sad that I cannot meet you for a while. That's why I filmed this video. Hooray! Good. Okay, today I'm going to give you some questions about animals. You know a lot of animals, right? So I will describe how they look, what they like, and what they have. So you are going to listen very, very carefully and answer my quizzes. And this quiz has 2 levels. This video, the first one, is quite easy for you, but the other one is a little bit difficult for you. Okay, let's get the first one started. Okay, number 1, I can hop. I carry a baby in my pouch. I can hop. I carry a baby in my pouch. I carry a baby in my pouch. Oh, what's this animal? Who carries a baby in its pouch? Somebody got the answer. What did you say? Yes, great. The answer is kangaroo. Kangaroo. I can hear you. Once again. Kangaroo. Good job, everybody. Kangaroo carries a baby in its pouch. Look at this mommy and baby kangaroo. They're so cute, right? Okay, then let's move on to the next question. I have a long tail. I can swing in trees. I like to eat bananas. I like to eat bananas. What's this animal? I have a long tail. I can swing in trees. I love to eat bananas. Yes, it's easy, right? Okay, then the second answer is monkey. Monkey. Good job, everybody. Can you see this banana? The monkey is holding a banana to eat anytime he wants, right? Okay. Monkey. Good job, everybody. Okay, the next question. Wow, you guys are so good. I already know that, though. Okay, the third question says, I have 8 arms, or I have 8 legs. I live in the deep blue sea. I have 8 arms, or somebody will say, I'll have 8 legs. And I live in the deep blue sea. It's on. I know the answer. I got the answer. Yes! Octopus! Octopus! Let's count the number of legs that the octopus has. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. Octopus has 8 legs. Octopus. Octopus. Good job, everybody. Okay, next question. I am very big and heavy. I have a long nose, not a tail. I have a long nose. I use my nose to pick up something. The second question said that the monkey has a long tail, and this animal also has a long tail. A tail. But this animal has a long nose. It features a long nose. It can pick up something with its nose. It's on. Does anybody know the answer? Yes! Elephant. Elephant. Good. Can you see this long nose? Elephant can pick up some food or anything else with its nose. Elephant. Elephant. Good job, everybody. Okay. Wow, it's already the 5th question. The 5th question says, I have long ears. My strong legs help me leap fast and far. My strong legs help me jump fast and far. I like to eat carrots. Who is it? What's this animal? It has long ears and it likes to eat carrots and it can jump or leap fast and far. It's, yes, rabbit. Rabbit. R says rabbit. Rabbit. Good job, everybody. You are excellent. Do you see this big carrot? It's as big as rabbit's body, right? Okay, rabbit really loves to eat carrots. Do you love to eat carrots? You don't eat carrots? No, you shouldn't. You should eat carrots for your eyes, for your bright skin. Okay, then the next question is, I have 4 short legs. I move very slow. I can hide in my hard shell. Once again, I have 4 short legs. I move slow. I can hide in my hard shell. It's a good turtle turtle. Good job, everybody. Turtle moves so slow, right? And it can also hide in its hard shell. When I knock it, it's gonna be so hard like this. Can you hear the sound? It's as hard as this table. Good. Okay, then the next one is, oh, it's already the 7th question. Okay. It's so easy. I swim in the water. I have fins. Do you know what fins are? Try to think. Once again, I swim in the water. I have fins. I swim in the water. I have fins. It's a good fish. 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 Good job, everybody. As you can see here in this picture, this is a fin. Fin. Oh, isn't it Nemo? I like it. It looks so cute, right? Did you see the movie? Did you see the movie of this Nemo? Yes, you do. Good. Okay, then, oh, it's already the last question. Okay, let's make it together. Good. The last question says, I am long and green. I have big jaws and short legs. I live in swamp. Is it difficult? Okay, let me explain once again. I am long and green. I have big jaws and short legs. I live in swamp. I am long and green. I have big jaws and short legs. Also, I have very sharp teeth and I live in swamp. It starts with or somebody knows this animal as It's an alligator. Alligator. Some friends will know this animal as crocodile, right? But the answer I prepared is alligator. alligator. Good job, everybody. Wow. Excellent. How many questions did you get? I think you know a lot of animals. Good. Actually, I also sent a worksheet on this video to your mom. So please match the pictures like this. Please match the pictures with the words by remembering the beginning sound. Okay? I think you can do that too. And thank you for your attention. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope to see you in the next video. May you always be happy and see you soon. Bye bye everybody. I love you.